Okay, so this is the performance center. You can see here. So this is the URL of the performance center URL. So once you open this, our URL, performance center URL, it will open like this. It is, we can call it as a application lifecycle management or performance center. Both should be same only. Okay. We can open the, once you are open the as a browser, we are able to see the like this. For here, we can observe we have the name and password will be there. So like we'll get from the, when we want from this tool, we need to raise the request from the access. Okay, our team will be raise the request, and once you will get from the access details, username, password, you need to give from the your employee ID, and password means what is the password you are set, right? You can use that password, and after that if you click authenticate, then you are able to see the below domain and project. So domain and project nothing but it is a domain nothing but so what is the domain of your project and what is the your project. Okay, so which project we are working, we need to select from the domain and assign the project. After that click on login. Okay, after click on login, right, we are able to see the this screen. Okay, we can able to see this screen. For here, you can see the left hand side, we have the testing tab will be there. This is the testing tab. Everyone able to see, right? This is the testing tab. In the testing tab, if you expand this, we are able to see the here test resources, test plan, test lab, time slot, and test runs will be there. So means here we have the one by one we can do. Like we need to, in the test plan, what we can do means we need to upload the script. Okay, in the test resources, nothing but we need to I told, right, server side monitoring, like servers, app server, web server, we need to configure from the test resources. Test lab, nothing but we need to design the scenario in the test lab or test plan. Time slot. So it's a difference from the controller to performance center. Controller is standard alone application and performance center is a web-based application. And there is no time slot concept in the performance center. Sorry, in controller. But in the performance center, we have the time slot. Time slot, nothing but like I want to do from the test night 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock from the AM. So I want to do from that time, I will wake up and I will do from the execution means somewhat will be difficult. So what I can do means I will do from the time slot. Okay, I will select from the, okay, this test, this time to this time, I need to book the time slot. Then what will happen means that time. So as same to the, for example, when you are developing after time slot, right? Someone already, it is the 1 to 2 a.m. already booked. Then you will get from the time slot already reserved. Then means here not only we, maximum who have from this project access, everyone will be access from this performance center for that project, and they will also doing from the time slot. Like means they are booking from the their test time slot. And we have the one more is there, right? Test runs. Test runs means once your execution is completed, all details will be displayed in the here. Okay. So for here, we can observe in the, we can go to the second screenshot. Okay. Yeah. Same. This is also same only. Okay. So for here, this is the first window. After that, this window will open. Now we need to select from the testing tab. In that you need to expand, in that test plan will be there. You need to select from the test plan. So for here it is highlighted, see, new folder. Then you can click on the new folder. In the subject you will be able to create from the new folder. And after create the new folder, you can give from the any one of the name. See, you can observe. So for example, we are created as a views and scripts. Okay, in that you are uploading from the scripts. So if you click from the here arrow button will be there. You can see here arrow button. Okay, if you click that arrow button, this is the arrow button. If you click this arrow button, it will open from the okay browse nothing but where is the your scripts. So how we are upload like we can push this script in controller, right? Same way we can do, but the difference one difference will be there. In controller we are directly script is we are pushing, but here what we can do means you should do the script, you should do the zip, then only we can upload the script. See, if we go here, for example, our scripts all will be there in the user in documents. Okay, what happened? The user and scripts. Okay, so now you can open. If you do from the upload means this, we should do the, we can zip this one. Can go to the here and send and compress and zip. So means zip files only we need to upload in the performance center. But in our controller, no need from the zip. Directly we can, our scripts itself, we can pushing the controller. But here you should be do the zip. Then only you will be able to see the this window. And after that, where you are save your script, you can select from the that zip files here. And if you select and click on open. Okay. After uploading, we can see the scripts as below. Like once you are uploaded, okay, from above, okay. After that, all scripts you are uploaded. How many scripts you have? All scripts you are up, okay, uploaded, and we can see the scripts like this in the group A. So these scripts I uploaded, okay, and after uploading script, we need to select a single script as shown below and protocol type date of creation. So if you select this, any one of the script, we can see the like who are uploaded this script, what is the is employee ID, okay, and we can see the protocol type, which protocol also developed from this script. It's a web protocol, it is a web service protocol, which protocol also it will display just if you select from the script. And you select from the root folder, click on new folder, provide the name in newly created folder, and I have given name as a test lab. Okay, see this is the test lab. And for newly created folder, new test lab, and click on new test icon, provide the test name. Next scenario we are creating. Scenario you want to create also, we can create from the new folder and give from the folder name. Okay, I given some test lab. In that we need to create from the test. So then you need to click from the new test icon. New means nothing but this is the, if you click this, new test will be icon will be open like this. And give from the name of the that test name, like it's a load test, spike test, stress test, endurance test. You can give from the name of that project. So for here they are created as a performance test creation, and after that click OK button. Just click from the OK button. See here, just you can give from the test name, and if you want to date, create date, if you select create date and click on OK button. See, select newly created test here below screen test. I'll have my new test and click on the edit option on the mouse pointing. For example, in the test lab, I created as a, okay, test iLab I created again. Okay, test iLab I created as a test. So what we can do means you can just click that test name, and here we can see the edit test. You need to click from the edit test. After select from the any workload model type. So once you are click from the edit test, we are going to the this window. Okay, if you click from the, okay, from here we have the types will be there. Already we know that basic schedule, real world schedule, okay, and basic schedule by group, basic schedule, real world schedule by group will be there. Same as a controller. Okay, so you need to select from the which one you want. By number means we can select by number. Percentage means percentage. Maximum we are selecting from the by number only. And after that, we have the schedule by scenario, schedule by group. So schedule by scenario means what? Hello? What is the schedule by scenario? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. What is the schedule by scenario?
Uh, it consider all the scripts like a scenario, configure ramp up and ramp down duration.
Yes, sharing from the ramp up, ramp down duration means
Duration.
yes. But what is the schedule by group?
Every script contains a different scenario.
Yeah, different ramp up, different ramp down, and different
Ramp up and
duration.
duration.
Okay, so here also we need to select from the basic schedule by group or real world schedule by group. We can select from the here, and after that click on OK button. After that, once we can select that, right? For here we have the one arrow will be there. You need to click on that arrow. Okay, in that we are created our scripts all where we are created in the group A we are created. All scripts will be displaying here. So what I can do means we can select the script and click on arrow button. It will added in the one by one. How many scripts you want to add? You can just click here. It will added here. Okay. I will share this document. No worry. Once you can see this document, you are able to understand. See, you can observe. I given from the if you select here, the script is came here, and this is the like script name and which protocol we are developed and LGs load generator. We should add from the load generators. So if you select here, we want to add how many load generators we have. It will be displayed there, and you can select from the how many load generator you want. You can add from the each script wise. And same to the each script also. If you select this here, we have the this is the option runtime settings option. We need to set the all runtime settings, logs, think time, pacing, and what are the mandatory things we need. We need to add from the each and every script is a different means we can give from the different runtime settings. Okay, and after you are design the scenario, okay, and how many users and all things you are design. So ramp up, how we are created ramp up and duration ramp down is completed. We need to click from the OK button. Then we are going to the again test. Okay, test lab. We can see that in the test plan only. It will be indicate that green color because where test will be design is completed because we are added script and we are design also completed. Once it is done, validation it is showing from the green color. If you observe here, when we are click from the edit button here, script status should be show from the error. Can observe means we are not done from the like we are not uploaded any scripts. Okay, we are not added and we are not added any LGs. You are not design also not completed. That is why here it is showing from the green color. But here you can observe we are uploading the scripts here. Okay, after uploaded, we are clicking from the OK button and the design also completed. Finally, we'll get from the this is the validation success. So these all things where we can do means in the test plan. Simply in the test plan, what we can do means so our scripts will be we can create from the some web tool is a project our project we can create from the one folder here. In that folder how many scripts you have you need to upload all scripts. Okay, one is from the flight booking, one is from the cancel ticket. Okay, okay, so you need to upload that one. And after that if you select after uploaded script what we can do again you can create from the one more new folder. And after that there we can select that new folder, click on new test and give from the test name like load test, spike or stress. And after given from the load test here, and we need to click from the edit test button. And once you can click from the edit test button, it will go to the above page. Okay, in this page will go. For here, we need to select from the starting. Okay, it's a controller. First, once we can upload a script, right? It will asking from the, it is a basic scheduler, real word, it is asking. Same way, here also it is asking. You can select that. And after that, what are the scripts you are developed? We can see in the scripts tree. In the right hand side will be there. We can see the script tree for where you are developed. Okay, in the web tool. In the web tool, what are the scripts you are uploaded? Okay, one is from the flight booking, one is the cancel ticket. So these two scripts you want to execute means you can select that, click on this button, and it will add it here. If you want one more script, you can click same add. And after that, we need to give from the load generators. How many load generators we want to give? We need to give from the load generator. And as same to the, we need to configure from the runtime settings also. And same to, we need to design the scenario, like how we are designing the controller, like ramp up, ramp down duration. Same here also, same thing will be there. Initialization and the start and duration and stop condition. Nothing but it's a ramp up. So we can select that, and here we can create from the our test scenario design. Once it's completed, if you click OK button, if it is a save, you can save this. All things is completed, right? So in the finally in this page, we can see the validation success. Up to this is the okay. And after you are done this, next step, because so our upload scripts will be completed and test scenario design also completed. Now next step, what we should be checked from the our monitoring tools. So yesterday I shown the performance monitor. Performance. Okay. Now I will show from the side scope also one of the performance monitoring tool. So that is the standard alone application. Performance monitor is a performance, we can call it as a, but side scope is the web-based application. We need to open from the this through web. And after that, once we can open the login this, right? Okay, we are able to see the this window in the side scope. Okay, for here you can see here I mentioned everything very clearly. On the monitor tab, right click on the side scope and select new group. Here is a monitor tab will be there, right? I will increase somewhat. Yeah. Yeah, now everyone you can observe in the side scope, we need to expand the side scope and select from the new group. So means just you can create from the right button of the side scope, create from the one new script. New folder, not script. Okay. So if you create from the new folder, we can click from the like this side scope in that new group. So once if you click from the new group, it will open from the like this. Okay, this all some sample test I created, for example. Okay, after that we are able to see the our folder here. After entering from the group name, the newly created group will be visible in the list displayed in the monitor, what we seen, right? Okay, see for example, so these are the Empower portal and this JC. So these are the folders we are able to see from the like this. For example, lender office is the I created from the folder. After that, find the selected newly created group right click on that group name. Okay. Right click on the group name and select from the new group, enter a general group name and web server. Means we have created one group. Okay. Again, in that group, if you click from the right button again, create from the one more new group, give it as a web server. You have the, along with the web servers, you have the app servers. Again, you can create from the one more new folder within the our group and give it as a app server. Maybe you have the database servers also will be there. Okay. And again, you can click from the new and give from the DB servers. And after that, click on the OK button. Then we are able to see in the lender office. Okay. We are created folder is the lender office. In that, we are creating from the group names. Select new created group above in the monitor list. Right click and select enter the server name. Again, what is the group we are created, right? For example, I created as a web servers. Again, that group you need to click on the right button and enter the, okay, enter from the group name like server name like app server. We have the app server 01 and you have the three servers. You need to add from the two servers in the within that folder, app server 1, app server 2. And you have web also, we can do from the same way, web server 1, web server 2. Means in the web server, we are adding from the web server 1, web server 2. In the app servers folder, we are adding from the two servers, app server 1, app server 2. DB server also we need to prepare from the same like that. Okay. See, in the lender office, I created as a lender office web server. And so after that, we need to repeat from the all web app servers and SQL servers. SQL nothing but DB servers. Finally, after you created, we are able to see the find our servers in the list on the left right. Click on the servers and choose the new monitor. Okay. And how we are given, right? You can observe here, we can see here clearly. So this is the one folder, first folder, means newly created folder. In that I created as a one is from the this folder. Okay, A0 nothing but app server and same web server. In that again I am creating from the click from the monitor, CPU, disk, memory I added. So means we need to monitor this only, right? That is why you need to add from the CPU memory. How yesterday we are added, right? Same way we need to add from the first CPU memory you need to add. In that CPU can again click from the right button, add from the CPU subcounters, processor time, user time, memory nothing but available memory and committed memory. Disk means disk write, disk read per second. Okay. See, if you click from the CPU, we are able to see the this all things. Okay. It is the status is the green means what are the you are added, all will be it is displayed here. And this is the next one from the this is the disk and this is the memory and the disk CPU. And if you have from the any other things, network means we can add from the network also we can add. So like that, we can prepare the site scope. So just I'm giving from the briefly, okay, site scope also how we are adding means just one new site scope window will open. Okay, for here we can go to the app 1 minute, I'm getting call. So means just we are setting from the our servers, means it is a CPU memory point of view. Once open the side scopes, it will be look like this. In this, just can click from the this side scope and you need to add from the new group. That group name is the, for example, we are giving as a web tour. Okay, in that web tour, you can again click from the right button in the web tour. What is the folder you are created? There you can give from the app server one folder. There you can give from the DB server one folder and web server. 3 folder you can create. In the 3 folders, if we created in the app server, if you go to the app server, again click from the one more new monitor and give from the app server 1 and app server 2 and web server also. Go to the web server folder, again web server 1, web server 2, database server, database 1, database 2 you can add. After added these servers, some app 01 you are added. In the app 01 we need to add from the our monitoring like counters. We can call it as a counters. What are those counters? Means CPU, memory, and this counters is a database, means you can add database counter. In this CPU also, we need to add from the anything from monitor as a sub counters, processor time, user time, privileger time you want, you can add. Basic information, memory means memory add. Disk means we need to add from the disk in read per second and write per second graphs you can add. Okay, so we need to add from the same like that from the app server, web server, DB server. So that configuration will be done. Then after we are what we did in the performance center, we are like design scenario is completed. After that, we are setting from the our server side monitoring. After this is completed, we can come to the again performance center. Okay. See, again, we are coming to the performance. After completing from the side scope configuration, we need to follow the steps in the performance center. Again, expand the testing section from the left side pane and click from the test resources. So last time we seen from the test plan. Now what we can do, we can click from the test resources. Okay, in the test resources, again, we can create from the root folder. How we are created in the side scope, same way we can create from the new folder and give from the folder name. In that, you can give from the again web server, app server, DB server. In that, again, we need to give from the app server 1, app server 2, app server 3. So all configuration we need to do from the here again in the performance center, because in controller we can't see the CPU memory in the within the controller, but here we can configure from the performance center. While during the test we can monitor also, we can able to see the CPU memory results also will get from the here. Okay, what I told, right, all will be like they are adding from the server names, app server, DB server, all will be how we are added in the side scope, same thing they will add from that Okay. After completed, we are able to see the like this. Okay, like they are added from the all CPU memory, what are be required, all added. They are giving from the server name. Okay. And after that, everything configuration is completed. We can go to the one more is the lab resources. Under the section, mainly configure the load generator controllers. What are the required for running load test? So you have one out. In controllers also we need from the in performance center. So if you are running from the one execution, you need from the at least one controller. Load generator, you can add from the how many you want, you can add it. That's fine. But we are executing means we need from the one controller machine. Okay, just controller nothing but that is also one of the IP address. So we need to add from the in that test. So after that is completed, everything is done. Then again we can go to the next. We have the testing tab, test resources, test plan, test lab, time slot, test run. Now we are seeing the test plan. In the test plan, we are created folder and in that we are uploaded script and we are created our test scenario like is a load test or spike or stress, whatever may be. Okay, that is done in the test plan. Now test lab. If you create from the new folder as per the project environment under newly created folder in the test lab and set the new test icon and under test lab category. We have the here new test will be there. If you click this and it will be open from the new test category lab. Select a newly created test and then click from the select test lab. We need to click from that select test lab. Again, how we are seeing the test plan, same way we have the one here will be there in the tree view. Here, what are the scenarios you are added? What is the tests you are added? All will be displayed here. Just you can select that, you can click from this button and it will add in the test lab. Okay. So after that, next one is the selected test can have one script more. Here we can see the 4 scripts which are clubbed in the group. Means what are the we are added, all will be it is coming to the where means in the test lab. After that, what we can do means okay, we can see the like this. Okay, in the where we can see this, see it is a design point we are done in the test lab. So we can see the like this how many scripts we are added. Each script also their design will be like this, they are done. Okay, because they are given ramp up, ramp down, duration, all will be done and they are added from the load generators and controller. After that, in the test plan, just click from the select from the if it is a schedule by scenario, schedule by group, you can select, and after that, if you want save means you can save this. Okay, for here, after done this, we need to test time slot option will be there. One more is the test time slot. So you can observe what is the names will be there, right? Means this day they are already time slot booked. So that is why their names it is displaying from the live. Their names are their test name will be displaying. You are unable to do from the what they did from